Good morning, dear students. Today we have to learn about social studies. Now, this is a time to understand what is the meaning of social studies. That means social studies contains minimum 6 parts. How many parts? 6 parts. You already know about the 6 part. The one is history, the second one is geography, the third one is political science, fourth one is business study, fifth one is economics. Sorry, 5 points, 5 parts are there. 5 parts. Social studies consist major 5 parts. The human body contains hands, legs, head, like that. Social study also consists 5 parts. The very first one history, the second one geography, third one political science, fourth one business study, the last and final one economics. In that part we have to understand some of the important matters. In history, when we have to understand the ancient events, ancient personalities. For example, 1900, when our teachers or our friends say something about 1947, when somebody are telling about the what happened in 1947. At the time, the students who knows about 1947, they can easily explain something about that. In that year, India got freedom on August 15th, 1947. The same manner, it is considered as history. In that history chapters, feature the important and famous personalities like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Netaji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru. Those personalities given the so many slogans to Indian citizens because of they are participated in the freedom struggle. So, Jawaharlal Nehru implemented so many concepts to develop India, especially about 5 years plan and mixed economic yearing plan. Those are very important concepts they are given to develop India. The next one is here, important rewards. Mahatma Gandhiji having so many, Bapuji, and he was the father of India, or else he was the father of India, or he was the father of nation. The same manner, Subhash Chandra Bose considered as he is a famous Netaji. The same manner, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he is famous about architecture of the Indian Constitution. The same manner, Jawaharlal Nehru, he was the architecture of the modern India. The same, these points we have to understand in history. Geography, how the earth is originate, soil, rock and water, forest, each and everything we have to understand in the geography. The totally 10th standard geography belongs to India. Our country India, how many states having enough forest, and where we have to get the agricultural resource, and where we have to get the natural resource. These are very important concepts we have to learn in geography. Then political science. We already know that before independence and after independence, what kind of political situation happening in day-to-day life, we have to understand in political science. The next one is business study. Business is the communication between two persons or two communities or two countries, each and everything. So in that business, we have to understand the main concept about economics. Economics means money. How to credit and debit, how to earn the money, those are in the section of economics. So these are all key points we have to learn in the social studies. So social studies contain two textbooks, the first part and second part. It totally contains 40 chapters. In that 40 chapters, the first part contains 20 chapters, the second part contains 20 chapters. In that 40 chapters we have to easily understand in the next video. Thank you.